What's up, everyone? Welcome to my video. This is going to be the best ChatGPT prompts for marketing, boost traffic and sales fast. I'm going to be going over some of my better prompts, and I've got a lot of them, as you can see on the left-hand side over here. There's more, but I don't want to expand this. But I've got a ton of very useful ones. I built a vault of AI prompts that instantly generate human-like content, eye-catching thumbnails. I got a YouTube one that creates images, one that creates humanized content that passes AI detection, one for email marketing that creates 7-day funnels in a style of one of the world's greatest copywriters, and copywriting an actual copywriting prompt, Pinterest prompt, and I'm going to go over some of these in this video. And if you want all these prompts, you can grab them for free at. Come on over, check this out. I'm giving you a free software too. It's a 7-day AI storyteller where you can generate email funnels that crush competitors and 10x sales. And I'll show you that in 1 second. You're going to get all this stuff. I don't want to, you can come on over and read this for yourself. And the cool part is you're getting right here my top secret ChatGPT prompt vault that prints money on demand. Get it free. And that's what I'm going over here. You can get access to all of these for free to use them, but if you want the actual prompt where you can create your own prompt, all you got to do is I'm going to give you the actual prompt that created these prompts, if that makes sense. So you can use it for yourself and create your own. So you're going to get that on that link. Link's going to be directly below. With that being said, let's dive in here, and I'm going to go over some of these prompts and show you how you can use these prompts in your own marketing. So here we go. We're going to start off with visualize it. And this is your path to perfect images. You can create any kind of image using this prompt, and it creates really good images. That's the first one here. I'm not going to use every one of these. It's going to take too much time, but I'm just going to show you them. And like I said, you're welcome to come on over and check them out for yourself. A couple of these, I'm going to show you how they work. But this creates images for anything that you might need. This one is engage and convert. This is similar to my other prompt. I've got a couple that are similar, but this one is specifically for story-driven sales copy. And this creates high-converting sales pages, articles, and blog posts. With this prompt, we're engaging story-driven content and the style of legendary copywriter Gary Halbert. Solves pain points, drives conversions. It's SEO optimized and human-like, and ensures natural copy that keeps readers hooked and ready to take action. This is a good prompt. You can come over and check that out. 7-day story-driven email sequence for affiliates. This is an awesome prompt. You're going to get this one and the actual prompt, I believe. 7-day story-driven email sequence for affiliates. And this is in Gary Halbert style. Uses conventional tone to highlight pain points, offers solutions, and drives action. Each email is designed to engage readers with clear sections, build an anticipation, and create an urgency. So this kind of expands on my tool, which is, let me show you this real quick. I don't want to waste too much time on this, but I'm going to show you it. This expands on this free tool here. You enter your affiliate program details, hit submit, and watch your output appear below. Enter your product name and details, affiliate link, email goal, click submit. It's going to create an email for you. This prompt expands on this one. So that's that. You're going to get that one right there. And we're going to move on to the next one. This is a really good. If you're writing affiliate emails, you want to save time, you're going to want this in your back pocket. Awesome prompt. We're going to move on to the next one. This one is you can create killer titles for videos, blogs, and email. So it does all three, which is a huge time saver. You can just type in create me. Let me see here. Create me a blog post title for the product Mitolin. This is a weight loss product on ClickBank if you're not familiar with it. And let's see what it comes up with. Just create me a blog post title for the product Mitolin and an email subject line. All Now let's let it work its magic. And there you go. It's got a blog post title. It's got an email subject line right there. Midle and the secret to unlocking more energy and vitality. Here's how it works. Email subject line. Feeling drained, Midle could be the energy boost you need. It can also do 10 at once, obviously. And it picks the best one out of all of them. So you can say, I like doing this style. Give me 10 of each. Pick the top 3, then the winner. This is the format I like using. And it goes through, creates 10 of them for you. It's going to pick the top 3. And then it's going to pick the winner. And then why you're always tired and how Midle can fix it. Top 3 is right here. If you like one better, you can obviously use that one. But that's this one. Cool little prompt that saves you time with that. This is one of my more popular ones. It's a super prompt for human-like, undetectable AI content, where you can create natural, engaging AI content with this comprehensive prompt. Mimic writing styles, integrate personal experiences, avoid unnatural words, and maintain varied sentence structures. It's perfect for bloggers and content creators aiming for human-like, relatable content. You're going to get the actual prompt for this too. This is a really good prompt. But come and check this out. All the links for all these are going to be directly below in the video description box where you can sign up for this. And we're going to go more email marketing ones. I got one for a couple of variations of the one I showed you earlier. AI copywriting prompt. This is a really good one. Very useful marketing prompt. It's perfect for sales pages where you can create high converting sales pages effortlessly with this AI copywriting tool. Emulate top copywriters, optimize funnels, and boost sales with engaging audience tailored content. And then we're going to move on to the next one here. I even got a PDF ebook title generator, which is cool. I needed this. All these prompts I use personally for myself and my business, and they're just available publicly as well. So if you want to use them, you can as well. I recently created a PDF. Thought this would be useful because finding the perfect title, so I created a prompt for it. This is one's for Pinterest. Marketing pins prompt, auto create viral pins. Stop guessing. This ChatGPT prompt, auto creates viral pins, SEO rich descriptions, and AI images. Optimized for maximum traffic. Get Pinterest best strategies in one click. So this can save you time when you're creating pins with Pinterest. And what else do I got here? And that's about it. I got other ones too. All you gotta do is search my name here. And there's quite a few of these. So you can come on over and find the best marketing prompts that you'd like to check out and put in your toolbox. Save you a lot of time and energy. I know they do for me. I use these pretty much daily, so they help me out. They can definitely help you out as well. So thanks for watching this video. Remember, check out the link in the video description box directly below. Click it, sign up, and I'm going to send you these prompts. And I'm also going to leave some links below in the description box as well. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my future video updates and content. Take care. Bye-bye.